Welcome to Kettle Labs How to series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to set up and use Databricks command line interface. Databricks CLI allows you to interact with your workspace directly from the terminal, making it easier to manage resources, files, and configurations. Sign into Databricks, and let's get started. To use the Databricks CLI, the first step is to ensure that Python is installed on your system. Open your command prompt and type the command shown on screen. If Python is installed, this command will display the version number. If not, download and install Python from the official Python website. The next step is to install the Databricks CLI. Type pip install Databricks CLI. This command will download and install the required Databricks CLI library. After the installation is completed, verify that the Databricks CLI is working by typing Databricks in the command prompt. If installed correctly, this will display a list of available commands that you can use with the Databricks CLI. To understand how to configure the Databricks CLI, use the command Databricks configure help. This will display all available configuration options, such as token, which is used to connect with the Databricks workspace. To connect your Databricks CLI to a specific workspace, use the Databricks configure token command. This will prompt you to provide two important details: the Databricks host URL and an access token. The host URL can be found in your Databricks workspace. Open your Databricks workspace in a web browser, copy the URL displayed in the address bar, and paste it into the host URL section. To generate an access token in Databricks, go to Settings, then navigate to Developer. Go to Access Tokens and click Manage. Then click Generate New Token, name it, and set the lifetime value and click Generate. Copy the token immediately and save it securely, as you won't be able to view it again. The next step is to return to your command prompt and paste the access token. This will authenticate your CLI session with the Databricks workspace. Once configured, verify that your Databricks CLI is successfully connected by running the command Databricks fsls. If the connection is successful, this will display the directory structure of your Databricks workspace in the terminal. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.